In this section, we'll learn how to add a table to our data in Excel. Adding a table is a great way to organize and analyze data efficiently. Let's get started. First, go to the Insert tab. Here, you'll find the Table option. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+T to add a table. This action will open a small window where you need to specify the range of cells to include in the table. If the automatically selected range is incorrect, you can manually choose the range. Ensure that the My Table Has Headers checkbox is checked if your data includes headers, then press OK. Once the table is created, you'll see the Table Design tab appear in the ribbon. This tab offers various formatting options for your table. Let's explore some of these features. Table Styles. The Table Design tab provides multiple predefined table styles. These styles apply different colors and formatting to your table, making it visually appealing and easier to read. Choose any format that suits your needs. Banded Rows. This option alternates the shading of rows, which makes it easier to read the data across the table. Check the Banded Rows checkbox to enable this feature. Total Row. Adding a total row at the bottom of your table allows you to perform summary calculations like sum, average, and count. Check the Total Row checkbox to add this row. First Column. This option emphasizes the first column of your table, making it stand out. Last Column. Similar to the first column option, this emphasizes the last column of your table. Banded Columns. This option alternates the shading of columns. Filter Button. These buttons allow you to filter data within the table easily. Header Row. Make sure this checkbox is checked to keep your table headers intact and clear. This option ensures that the first row of your table is treated as the header row.